every time I'm taking a trade, I'm looking to get in line with the daily bias and follow the expansion of the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. So when I look at price action here on this daily time frame, I can see price has reacted inside that imbalance, and originally I was looking inside this order block right here as my point of interest area. Now you can see clearly price is just moving to the downside, and my target is this low right here because I know there's liquidity under there. Now all I'm looking to do here is get in line with the daily bias. As you can see, we're pushing to the upside at the moment. If I go to a 4-hour time frame, you can quite clearly see there's a little bit of a range going on to the downside. So again, we have this order block area right here, which I'm now going to focus on, and this is all about being patient. Now I'm not looking to buy into that area because that would be counter trend in my opinion. All I'm looking to do is wait for a confirmation to sell. It might not happen today, it might happen tomorrow, but whenever it happens, I will be there and I'll be ready and wait for that confirmation. Now if price decides to expand from this area here, because we are at an area on the daily time frame where we could technically reverse, well, two things are going to happen. Either I'm not going to get a lower time frame reaction to the downside just like this, you're more likely to be presented with something like this where you can see prices just pushing higher, in which case all I'm doing then is reanalyzing my price action. It might be that I look for buys in a couple of days, but until that happens, I'm waiting until price comes to my